This year you get 3 new Apple Watches to choose from: the Apple Watch SE Series 8 and brand new Apple Watch Ultra. Wondering what all the difference are between them and how to choose one, and we're going to break down all of the specs to help you make the right choice. The letter now features a flagship Apple Watch Ultra model alongside the Apple Watch Series 8. But if you are in the market for a new Apple Watch, which should you consider buying? You'll need a fine-tooth comb to find the differences between the Series 8 and its direct predecessor, the Watch Series 7. Apple for the first time came with the Watch Ultra, but Watch Series 8 is no less competitive when it comes to comparison with the Apple Watch Ultra, and the big difference when it comes to Apple Watch Ultra and Series 8 are the new batteries. The Apple Watch Ultra will give you a battery that can last about 36 hours or at max 60 hours on a low power mode, but when it comes to Watch Series 8, it can only give you 18 hours of battery backup and up to 36 hours on low power mode. The Apple Watch Ultra has a flat screen, and if you look at it compared to the Apple Watch 8, this has a curved screen. The Apple Watch Ultra has a new action button that can be used to launch a quick action. Say if you need to use a trackback feature quickly, you need to make a phone calls, this can be a dedicated launcher for that purpose. The Watch Series 7 and Watch 8 share the same chassis, screen and case sizes. They're still getting the digital crown mounted on the top right corner around off-face housing, and OLED display in aluminium or stainless steel construction. Battle sizes include 41mm for smaller wrists and 45mm for slightly larger arms. The Apple Watch Ultra features an all-new titanium design that's now the most distinct in the Apple Watch range. The most noticeable difference is the massive 49mm sapphire lens that houses a flat screen. Apple Watch Ultra is most rugged watch out there from Apple, but Watch Series 8 with the curved design cannot give you that protection. You guys will be surprised to see Watch Ultra comes with twice the brightness compared to the Watch Series 8. The Apple Watch Ultra comes with 2000 nits brightness, whereas Watch Series 8 only comes with 1000 nits peak brightness. The Series 8 also brings car crash detection, a first for the Apple Watch, and this will dial emergency services and send users location after a brief countdown. Both watches here is the same S8 chipset, but Watch Ultra comes with a dual GPS, which gives you a more accurate location. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.